Все здравствуйте! Последние выходные октября. Дача законсервирована, подготовлена к зиме. Выбрался на ближайшее поле. Октябрь как никогда порадовал теплыми деньками. Деревья, похоже, находятся в полной растерянности. У одних листва облетела, другие стоят пожелтевшие, как и положено осенью. У третьих листва облетает зеленый. Похоже, этот год решил всех удивить своей непредсказуемостью.
I'm stuck on the side of the Buddha roof. I've forgotten too far while still afloat. Should have been more careful with the boat I chose. Got chills from the water and I'm waiting. Lazy or recovering. Total apathy, I'm needing time to think. It's a miracle I still got strength to be. Fighting a line is so gray. 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 To year 17, I had such control and clarity. Set the standard high, it's embarrassing how I lost it. Trying so hard to overachieve and gave no credit to my suffering. Forgot how to eat, needed reprogramming. Hold my ribcage, breathing. Hold my ribcage, check my breathing. Check my breathing. I release me. Why won't I release me? It's getting rough, 'cause of my mind, far from simple. And
I ain't feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, with those gonna lift me up this time. You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me, am I reading something different from your eyes? See you, for a moment even hope that I can hear you. See you, all that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. See you, running wild. We got a good thing going, while we got our feelings amplified. Stay to the morning, countless hours spending by your side. Look at me, I'm soaring, seeing all the truth behind your eyes. See you, for a moment even that I can feel you. I see you, all that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. See you, for a moment even that I can feel you. See you, all that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. Now I'm finally right here with you.
А потом как-то очень резко все затянуло серой мглой, поднялся сильный ветер и пошел мелкий осенний дождик. Ну что ж, пора собираться домой. Осень. Если вдруг кому-то было интересно, поддержите. Нажмите на пальчик вверх или вниз. Подписывайтесь на канал. До скорых встреч. Всем пока.
To the morning, countless hours spending by your side. You look at me, I'm soaring, seeing all the truth behind